Looking for some budget-friendly meals that you can whip up in your air fryer? I got you.
Oh my gosh.
I'm curious, the last time you ate out, did you nearly fall over when you saw the total due for your meal? Whoa, me too. I bet you were thinking, everything is so expensive. If you're like me, you are trying to avoid takeout and eating at restaurants now more than ever. Today's air fryer meals are gonna come in right around $2 per serving, plus they are healthy and delicious. Are you ready? Let's go. Now this one's a little bit healthy. It's air fryer cauliflower tacos, and it is surprisingly cheap and it is surprisingly filling. Now I priced out cauliflower in the store. It's like 4 cents more to buy it already chopped up in the bag for you. That comes to 69 cents per serving. You'll need a blend of frozen peppers and onions, 60 cents per serving. A can of black beans, 19 cents per serving. Some fajita-sized tortillas. These are only gonna be 32 cents per serving. And because I don't usually have limes on hand, I'm throwing this in the pricing. It's 6 cents per serving. And then you just need some other spices and seasoning that you most likely already have in your pantry. Now, yes, these are already chopped, but we do want it chopped more because it's gonna be going inside of our tacos. So really quite small and just think bite-sized. I tell you what, buying it bagged already just really saves time too. And I was so surprised to see that it really wasn't any cheaper to buy the whole cauliflower head. Now for the marinade, we're gonna do just like a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Then here's my spices. I've got a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Just gonna dump that in. Then here's 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic and a tablespoon of honey. I'm just gonna eyeball it and just whisk that all up to combine. Oh wait, I forgot my lime juice. Can't forget the lime juice. By the way, I finally got myself one of these little juice squeezers and I'm just like wondering, why did I wait so long? It's just so much easier. And look, it gets so much juice out of the lime. Now we'll mix that up. It's a little more liquidy and a little bit more of a marinade now. Oh, and it's gonna taste so good. Okay, now I'm gonna add all my veggies into one big bowl and dump that marinade on top. And then just stir that all up. You're gonna want to do that in a little bit bigger bowl so you have room to stir. Now I've got my air fryer here. It's the dual blaze, so I'm gonna take this rack out because I don't have to shake this particular air fryer. But if you have a rack or a basket, that works for you too. And spread it out across the bottom of the basket. Now we're gonna just pop it right here in the air fryer. We're gonna bring it to 380. For 7 minutes. And while that's cooking, go ahead and rinse and drain your black beans. And first 7 minutes is done. I'm gonna give that a quick stir. And now we're gonna dump those black beans in and stir it up just a little bit more. This is gonna make so much food. Wow. And now we're gonna go ahead and bring that back to 380 and do 7 more minutes. And it's done. Oh, check out that. To all the naysayers who say you cannot make healthy food in an air fryer, they are so wrong. Look at, I'm gonna get so much food from this. Granted, let's be real, my little girls, they won't like this, but my boys, I think they'll eat it. Not sure about my husband. I mean, I love my chicken tacos more, but for the price and the ease, I'm giving this one a solid 4 stars. Now this next one I priced out using some fairly higher quality ingredients. So depending on what you actually purchase, the price per serving could be even lower. So I'm using some of the Dave's Killer bread today, and that's coming in at about 53 cents per serving. Then some ranch dressing, which like everybody has that sitting in their fridge, right? 4 cents a serving here. Cheese coming in at 18 cents per slice. You'll want a nice slicing tomato, which we're calculating at about 17 cents per serving. And this is probably one of the most expensive parts, the avocados. You're gonna use a half of these per serving. So that's coming in at 39 cents. And then a few slices of bacon. Again, I'm pretty unpicky. I like the uncured bacon that doesn't have nitrites in there. That's 87 cents per serving. Total cost for this healthy bacon, tomato, avocado, grilled cheese sandwich is about $2.18 per serving. Now, for one sandwich, I'm only gonna use like 1, maybe 2 slices of bacon. But I'm just gonna cook up this entire blob right now because I'll refrigerate what I don't use for later. And yes, this is my lazy way of cooking bacon. Now, it's the very first recipe in my cookbook here. And when you're kind of keeping them separated, you'll want to do like 380 for 8 to 10 minutes. But since I got my big old blob, I know it's gonna take a little bit more time. So I'm gonna crank that up to about 12 minutes and turn on a shake reminder so I can stir those around. Here we are, 6 minutes into it. It smells so good. Yeah, I'm just gonna separate it out here with my tongs. Look how nicely that just kind of separates. You could stir it up if you want, whatever. And then from here, it's really just about the type of crispiness that you want. So you could check it after 6 minutes. I'm thinking I'm gonna wanna give it, throw a little extra minute or 2 on there. And I started to second guess myself, and yeah, it was perfect right where I had it at the beginning. So that's just gonna sit there and drip for a second. Look at all that grease. Just put a little ranch dressing. I don't know, maybe that was too much. I'm gonna put it on both of my slices here. Here's my magic trick. There we go. That's good, that's good. Then I got the cheese and tomato. These are free if you've got a garden, by the way. Then I'm just gonna scoop out some of the avocado. This one's not quite ripe enough, but we are making it work. And now it's time for bacon. Get this guy, this one. Now, if you want to use bacon grease and rub it on your sando, you could do that. You could do butter, but I'm just going to use my avocado oil and lightly mix that up. And now I'm going to use that Kasori dual blaze that does not have the pan in the bottom. It doesn't have the rack here. So I'm going to put my dry side of the sandwich right on top of all of that spray I just sprayed in there, and I won't even have to flip. So no matter which air fryer you have, it's gonna be right around 350 for 8 minutes. You'll just want to flip it halfway if you don't have the Kasori dual blaze. And now my delicious sando is done. Go the crunch. Oh yes. Oh yummy. Look at that goodness. That is just fantastic. Wow, wow, wow. I give this one a solid 5 stars. Golly, I wasn't recording. Okay. What do you say, Missy? 5. This next one's on page 86 in my cookbook. You can snag that at yummyairfryrecipes.com. You're gonna need some chicken breast that you slice up. That's about 85 cents per serving. Some honey is coming in about 52 cents per serving. Red or yellow potatoes, 41 cents per serving. About 2 cups of broccoli, 35 cents per serving. And just a couple pantry items. Total for this meal is $2.13 per serving. First, we're gonna make the marinade, and we'll start with 3 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of soy sauce or coconut aminos, 3 minced garlic cloves or 1.5 teaspoons, and just a splash of salt and pepper. That's about an 1/8 teaspoon each. Then just whisk that all together so it's well incorporated. Look how simple that is. Okay, now I'm gonna just pour this right on my chicken, and I'm gonna let this soak while I prep everything else up. Except I do want it nice and coated, so I'm gonna just put some gloves on my hand and mix it up. Wash and chop up your broccoli. You want about 2 cups. Then wash and cube up those potatoes, just so they're cute little bite-sized potatoes there. And drop all the veggies right into that basket. And I'm just gonna spray some oil on. Coat all those potatoes and broccoli. It's only gonna be about maybe a tablespoon or so that you put on here. Now the veggies, of course, are gonna take longer than my chicken, so I have 2 options. I can either cook these up for a little bit first, and then I'm gonna throw the chicken on, or you can throw the chicken on at the beginning and then take it off and cook the veggies for a little bit longer. Today I'm gonna start and do these first, and we're gonna run it at 360 for about 7 minutes. All right, our first little pre-cook is done. I'm gonna go and give that a stir. Okay, let's talk about air fryers and fresh broccoli for a second here. You can see I just cooked that at what, 7 minutes or so, and it's already browning. And it just is the thing that happens with the fresh broccoli. So if you are not a fan of this browning, you know, more crispy type of fresh broccoli, then another option is to just do frozen broccoli in here. And if that's the case, you would throw that in now with your chicken instead of with the potatoes. I'm just gonna set my little chicken tenders here Remember, it's just about a pound of chicken, and it's just gonna go right on top of the broccoli. Gotta kind of make room. I've got a couple more. There we go. And then I've got a little of my honey garlic left here, so I'm just gonna drizzle that over the top. And then we are gonna put this back in the air fryer, and we're gonna go 360, and I'm gonna do about 7 minutes because I'm gonna flip these. Now, usually in the dual blaze, I don't worry about flipping, but these are on top of different, different food. So I do want to flip that. So 360, 7 minutes. All right, first little set of chicken cooking is done. I'm gonna give these guys a quick flip. Then I'm gonna take their temperature. Alrighty, let's take a peek here. 145, 146, 147, 150. I'm gonna give this about 4 more minutes, just so that chicken can finish up. So 360, 4 more minutes. And now, smells good and it looks good. Quick little temp check there. Hopefully I didn't overcook these. Looking good, looking good.
Is this pineapple?
Right. That's potatoes and broccoli.
Alright, so broccoli, potato, revived chicken.
Oh boy, oh boy.
That's refreshing.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know why. That is just very refreshing. Like the potatoes are just so, they just send you rainbows down your, oh my gosh, 4.5 out of 10.
There you go.
5.
Hey, I've got more cheap and easy air fryer meals for you right here. And if you're just cooking for a few, you've got to watch these air fryer meals for 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.